Hello friends, welcome to another Hungry Like the Cook Imperfect Foods unboxing. I'm Amy Harbor. This is my Imperfect Foods box. They've changed the box, it's now green. It says, in the 5 years, the Imperfect community has rescued 139 million pounds of food from going to waste. And the box is made of 100% recycled materials. We don't care about the box. We care what's in the box. Let's dig in. Oh, there's little sayings on the inside of the box. Let us know what you make with your order. Let us. You can't beat B-E-E-T, that new box smell. Ha ha ha. They got jokes. Okay, so sit this over here. We've got some little mini russet potatoes, ideal for baking, mashing, or frying. I like to chop mine up and put them in the air fryer. Very tasty. We got some kale, good for salads, good for putting in smoothies, good for making chips, good for just sauteing with a little lemon and garlic. We've got some carrots. Cook those bad boys up, make them carrot sticks. Couple insanely large tomatoes. Num num num. We've got some apples. It's apple season. I wish I could go pick apples, but COVID. And we've got, oh, I've been dying to try this. Okay, now I've tried to add this 3 times and they keep forgetting to put it in my box, but it's really cool because their customer service is awesome. And so they refund it and they're like, oops, sorry for the mistake. And then one time they also gave me a credit. It is cold pressed orange juice. I look forward to making some smoothies with this. Oh, I'm so excited. So excited. Then we've got some green beans. Cook those up. Some pears. Then we get to the non-produce parts. We got some certified humane pork chops with no antibiotics. Some chicken breast chunks. I like to section these up and portion them out and cook them. Pasta, add it to rice. I got something that I haven't gotten before. And somebody told me I should try them, so I also got them. Gourmet lamb tamales. So I splurged a little bit. They're very interesting. We will cook them up, have those. And that is everything that is in the box. So, if you want to join the food revolution and save produce and other things of food sorts that might go to waste otherwise, leave me a comment. I will get you $10 off your first box. And until then, until next time, I guess we'll be doing some imperfect cooking. Mwah.